In this video, I want to show you how to set up your currency conversion within Funnelshoot and how it's important that you get these numbers correct so that on your dashboard you can see accurate profits and figures as well. So on our dashboards here, we can currently see that the profit shown for the 1st of November to the 30th is actually $77,000 and roughly 833 as well there. And basically this is incorrect, and the reason that it is incorrect at the moment is because we don't actually have our currency conversion set up correctly. So that's why it's very important that you remember and do this and set it up at the very start of using Funnelshoot. So why is it not correct? The reason that our profit here is not correct is because our Shopify store currency is in US dollars. So we collect all payments and everything goes into a bank account in USD. But on our ad spend here, we actually use Singapore dollars because our bank accounts are in Singapore dollars. Therefore, our ad spend, to save us a bit of money, we use Singapore dollars. So to get around this, what we like to do is basically change the currency within Funnelshoot. So what we can do is go to the settings tab here. We can scroll down and you can do this per ad account. So let's say, for example, you have one ad account that's in euros and you have another one in Singapore dollars. You can change either one of those to the currency conversion rate of your choice, which makes the numbers a lot more accurate. So in this case, we've got one ad account connected to this Funnelshoot, which is BNC2 here. And if we scroll down, we can select the ad account, BNC2. And as I said, this account is actually in Singapore dollars that we are spending on our ads, but in Shopify it's US dollars. So what we want to do and what we need to do is basically get the exchange rate for that to make the numbers correct. So we've added this tab here, which when you click it, it will open up the current exchange rates across different currencies. So you click this and it will open up this tab. So once you get to this tab, you can see here that you can do the exchange rate for any currency that you want. So for example here, we have got Singapore dollars. So 1 Singapore dollars to US dollars gives us our exchange rate, which we can put into Funnelshoot. So this is 0.74. As I said, the ad account is in Singapore dollars, but we want to make it all the same figures as Shopify. So this is US dollars. So what we do is we do 0.74 and we put this into the Funnelshoot. So we would just change this to 0.74 here, as I said, and then we would add that in. Now once we've added that, you can now see that this ad account, BNC, has a multiplier of 0.74. And that is it. That should now make your profit figures accurate. If we go back to the dashboard, you can see it's changed slightly here. It's actually when the profits went up slightly as we have now changed the exchange rate to what it should be. Now if I go back to settings here again, we've got a little explanation here just to make sure you know that you're doing this correct. So add a currency multiplier to each of your ad accounts. Example, if you enter 0.2725, every $1 in spend will be treated as 0.725 in spend. And again, you can click on the currency conversion rates here. So let's just show you, for example, if this was euros, what you would do. So you would find your ad account and let's just say it's euros to US dollars in this case. And then let's go back, we would click on this tab here. We would go back to the exchange rate website. And then we would just select euros from the drop down here. And again, that's if it's going to US dollars, and then we would check this. And in this case, 1.1 euros equals 1 US dollars. We can just copy that. We can go back to Funnelshoot and we can just go 1.1. And then we can click add. And now we have it in euros for this example. If your ad accounts are in euros, that is. We go back, you'll see that our figures will change again. And that is it. I hope that shows you how to use currency conversions within Funnelshoot. Again, this is very important. If you need any help with this, just reach out to our support team and we'd be happy to help. And thank you for watching.